Look, I'm not here to tell you what to do. I'm just showing you the things that I do. Hope you enjoy. Hey everybody, Freebie again. It's me. Got another project we're gonna do. I'm gonna put a backup light on my golf cart, Jeep. And the kit comes with two lights. You don't have to connect them together, so I'm going to use one as a backup light and one for a dome light. Now I'll be bringing you that, so stay tuned. Freebie out. What comes in the box is two lights, wiring, some directions, and these are Alpina LED Accent HD grill lights with 32 LEDs, and I'm going to use one for backup light because mine does not have a backup light. I'll put it back here for a backup light. That'll be sweet. And then I think I try to use this one. It's more or less like a little dome light, something like that, so you can light up the interior. Well, you know, every good project starts with a plan, and the plan is to mount this light up here, run my wiring right here through, and then come down through here. There's actually a bracket that goes here. I've already removed to see if this was feasible, which it is. I had to drill a hole in the end. Had to drill this hole for my wiring to go through, and it'll come out and go through this channel. I can use some double-sided 3M tape to run over here, and in the end, just a rubber grommet to keep water and stuff out. I drilled a hole in it. I'm gonna be using some wiring to run down through, and then it'll come down this bracket or brace, go down underneath. I'll come down underneath and come back under this console, which if you see my previous videos where I installed the ROG lights and the rocker switch for the front light bar, I will be mounting this over on this side. I'll have two over here, one for the dome light, one for the backup light. And like I say, if you saw my other videos, this just pops off. I have easy access. I'll put a link to the other stuff that I did to G here. We call it G because it's a golf cart. I got to name everything because, you know, I'm Freebie. I got Rambo, I got Cody, I got Quasimodo, and it is what it is because I'm the free man and I'm just a freebie. Okay, so stay tuned and here it comes. Okay, in order to run the wires, I'm gonna have to remove these brackets and bolts and everything that hold them on. Come down here, same thing that hold this, because you probably won't be able to run your wires through because they will block you. And then to run the dome light, come over here in the middle and drilled a hole already for the wiring. I'm gonna run it straight down the same way and run down underneath to the console again. Now, anytime you have something and you have it installed and you think, oh my God, they're charging me outrageous, there's a reason, because it's not always easy. Now, I have the dome light up here. And what I had to do is drill 3 holes. One for the wires, 2 for the screws to bracket. And then run it through over to here. Had to take all this apart and then run my wiring through the end. Okay, And there's a hole here that it's going to go through, down the beam underneath. But you have to feed all this wire through here. Now I could have done this very simple and just run it on the outside, tie wrapped it, and it would have looked like it looked. But I don't do that. And you know, one reason that I do these videos is to help y'all. I do this so you can see what I did, and it can give you a clue. And it's just stuff that I like to do anyway. But when you question somebody, like, why does it cost so much to install? That's why. There's a lot to it. Like I say, you could do it just the easy and the one way that, you know, you got either electrical wire holding your wires or tape or, you know, whatever. I mean, there's different ways to do it, but if you want it to look professional and look good, then there's a way that you have to do it. We're getting there. I have the backup light, LED light mounted for a backup light. I drill holes in the bracket so I run my wires through, and then drill holes to mount with. Here's my wires. I'm going to run right through this channel and over to here. Secure that. It'll be about the only thing you'll see as far as wires. Got my wires run just down through this bracket. Underneath, they go under the seat, under the dash, just like the rock lights, up through the channel, and I have my console off. Again, if you watch my other videos on the install of the converter from 48 volt to 12 volt, the fuse bus, so I can connect different accessories, and this is my control box for my rock lights. Now I'm just going to get my wires run, hook up to my fuse. As you can see, I already have one of the rocker lights installed. This is the other. And I'm using a 3/4 inch spade bit to drill the holes, get it right. If you'll remember in my other video, when I installed the fuse bus, it came with these different tags that you can put electronics, all kind of stuff. And so I've got everything wired on my fuse box, and I've got my rear light, got my rock lights installed, dome light, and my light bar. Another successful operation. Now, here's my light. Preview says on. Off. Preview says on. Preview says off. Yeah. Let's go look at the back. Preview says on. And it's on. Don't want to overpower everything, but I got me a backup light and a dome light. I use 3M tape, double-sided, to run my wires down through here, all the way down, underneath. Everything's wired up, back to the dash. We're good to go. I'll show you at night when they're lit up. Well, here's the dome light. Puts out some good light. You can see everything. I like that. And then here's my backup light. I can actually see behind me without it being overpowering. How you like that? Works pretty good. Yeah, Freebie bringing you another one. Got it going on. And you can see everything behind you. Freebie here. Just want to thank all of y'all for watching my videos, sharing them, liking them, subscribing. I appreciate it. I like doing them for you. Hope you like them too.